Hello and welcome back. This is a second kitchen unit that I've made, but this one here is a sink unit. As I said to you guys in the previous videos, I made like two. I've made more than two, but I'm going to show you them as we go along. But not in this video. Uh, yeah, this is the sink unit to go in the Victorian kitchen. Yeah, it's the one what I've got in there now. I'm going to take out, and I'm going to put this one in. And yeah. And, I think it looks good. But what we're going to do is put it on the turntable so you can see it better, and that is instead of my hands being in the way and all that. And then we have made, to say, and then my wife and I got cut a little bits of cloth, and so we can hang over, and a little and then that dishcloth. Then put that there, and I think that looks absolutely brilliant. And then as it does look good, and I'm pleased with it. So and then what we're going to do now is go and put it on the turntable, and then like from there, and then we'll take it to the house and we'll put it in that's in the kitchen. Okay, as we're back at the house now, as you can see, we're going to go into the Victorian kitchen to we'll change that unit. So what I'm going to do is open the doors now, and then we'll dive into the kitchen and see what they're doing in there. Oh, that door just tries to get in it. Yeah. Right, there's the unit what I'm changing, the sink unit. And now I'm going to change this one over to the other one. So what I'm going to do is take the fish off and a little pot. Oh, and I've got some little utensils in the sink. So what I'm going to do is move them. And now see this, because that's a good unit as well. So, and then as that will be going in the extra shop, the same as the rest of the stuff. And that, so if anybody and they would like it, we'll go in there and have a look and as you see what you think of it. So yeah, that's that one. So I'm going to put this one behind me, and I'll bring back and bring over the other one. There's one that's going to go in now, and that's so what I'm going to do. I'm going to start putting the cutlery or utensils in the sink because they're a bit dirty and as they need like washing up. And I've got like colour bits of colour fish here, so one either sides, and I could put a pot on the or and then a saucepan on top. So yeah, that's it. And I've got loads more stuff to go on it. But and then as you see, and then as we're going along, it's getting more and more stuff in there. It's getting a bit more busier now. So it's started looking good now. So what I'm going to do is put this in the kitchen now. It's up against that wall. And then what we're going to do is they take the camera off the stand, and then come round, and as you can see it better, and as in the kitchen. Yeah, so that looks quite all right in there, doesn't it? And that does look nice, and it's getting more packed now, and what I like when serving being bare. The gentleman and the parlour maid next quite happy with it. So if you could please subscribe and that push that like button, and that is no notification bell, and that is into and that is to send us a comment and then what you think about the kitchen. So and then I've enjoyed this one. And as and we'll catch you in the next one when we see you in a couple of days' time, and that will when we put the other bit of furniture on. So see you later. Bye bye. Have a nice week. And because the weekend's near enough over now, so have a nice week. And we'll catch you in the next one. All right. Bye bye.